In the sequence of stories of superhit films shown on Khabar Tak, today the new link that I have brought before you is the story of film Ram and Shyam. This film was brought on the silver screen in 1967 and Chanakya was the director of this film. This film was the most grossing film of that year. Dilip Kumar in the double role, Wahida Rahman and Mumtaz played the lead role of this film. Pran, the famous villain of that time, played the role of villain in this film, and Nirupa Rai, Mukri, Nazir Hussain, etc., played character role in this film, and the efforts of all of them made this film a blockbuster film. This film contains many forceful and meaningful dialogues. A few line of a dialogue I repeat for you. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता, अरे खाने दे, गरीब का पेट भरेगा तो दुआएं देगा. That is a little bit slow and steady. Let the poor eat and fill its belly so that he will pray for you. Besides forceful dialogue, this film contains many beautiful dance scene and melodious song as well. The music director of this film was Nausar, and the voiceover in this film for the song was given by Muhammad Rafi, Lata Mangeshkar. This a few line of the song I am humming for you. आज की रात मेरे प्यार की सलामी ले ले, प्यार की सलामी ले ले, कल तेरे वजन से दीवाना चला जाएगा, सम्मा रह जाएगी, परवाना चला जाएगा. आज की रात मेरे आई है बहारें मिटे जुल्मों से तम, प्यार का जमाना आए दूर हुए गम, राम की लीला रंग लाई, श्याम ने बंसुरी बजाई. मैं हूँ साकी तू है शराबी शराबी, मैं हूँ साकी तू है शराबी शराबी, तूने आँखों से पिलाई वो नशा है की दुहाई, हर तरफ दिल के चमन में फूल बिखरे हैं गुलाबी गुलाबी. मैं हूँ साकी तू है शराबी शराबी, मैं हूँ साकी तू है शराबी शराबी. Now listen to the full story of film Ram and Shyam. That is the story of separation of twin brothers and reunion of them along with their beloved. The story of the film Ram and Shyam begins with the view of celebrating the 15th death anniversary of a factory owner Yaswant Rane. Along with all the members of the family, mill owner Yaswant Rane's son Ramchandra, played by Dilip Kumar, is also playing floral tributes to his father on the occasion of his death anniversary. When his brother-in-law Gajendra Patil, played by Pran, who is sitting in possession of all his property after the death of his father Yaswant Rane, comes there, seeing him he is terrified to a great extent. Then his brother-in-law Gajendra threatens him, saying that today is the 15th anniversary of your father. On this occasion, the employees of the mill have also invited you to the party to be held in the evening at the factory premises. But you will not go there because they want their demands to be fulfilled through you, which I have already turned down. I will talk about your ill health there. He also asked his wife and Ramchandra's sister Sulakshana, played by Nirupa Rai, to look after this matter. As long as Ramchand's brother-in-law Gajendra lives there, he is very tolerant and he tells his sister not to go there. Just then, his niece starts screaming to go there that Munshi, the accountant's daughter, will dance that day. At this, Ramchandra says that his father will start beating him when he goes there. Then she says that we will be hidden there. Then, when the program is going on, Ramchandra and his niece reach there and start watching the dance secretly. After the dance is over, the mill worker, regretting that the owner Yashwant Rane's son Ramchandraji could not come between them due to his ill health, takes Gajendra to the stage and submits his demand. Gajendra just starts looking at the demand later. Then some people in the crowd recognize Ramchandra, and then all the employees starts cheering him and taking him towards the stage. Some employees also started raising slogans of Gajendra Murdabad. In this meantime, Ramchandra runs away with and comes to his house. After some time, Gajendra also comes there and starts beating Ramchandra severely. With great difficulty, his wife Sulakshana saves Ramchandra from being beaten by her husband. After this, Ramchandra goes to the well next to the house with the intention of committing suicide by bowing to the picture of his mother and father. But when his sister Sulakshana comes there and makes him promise that he will never attempt suicide. One day, Syamlal, played by Dilip Kumar as double role, scolds Santa, played by Mumtaz, for walking in the middle of his field. Then Santa talks about telling everything to her maternal uncle Murlidhar and starts shouting loudly. By then, his maternal uncle Gopal, played by Mukri, arrives there. He asks Syam to work in the shooting of a film going on next door, whose hero has gone somewhere. On seeing both of them go, Santa leaves the place talking about telling everything to Syam's mother, whom she calls Aunt Mausi. On coming here, Syam is given the role of saving the heroine from the goons by becoming a hero. While acting like a hero, Syam really beats up all the people. This has angered the director of the film. Here he, along with Santa Mausi, that is maternal aunt, also comes there and brings him home, scolding and talking about not working in the films. But now Syam has be in the net of working in the film's rights, so he comes to the city from the village on the pretext of bringing seeds. After the incident of Ramchandra trying for suicide, Ram's sister Sulakshana calls a doctor and asks for a remedy to get rid of Ramchandra's fear. On being asked by the doctor, Ram reveals that once Gajendra's kite was cut and he had expressed happiness, then Gajendra had beaten him severely with a whip, due to which he remained unconscious for several days. After this, whenever he sees Gajendra in anger, he becomes completely helpless. After hearing this, the doctor was still telling Sulakshana that she does not have any disease, and if she married, it is possible that his fear will end with the love of his wife. At this time, Gajendra comes there and says that he is not an enemy to him. He then tells his wife Sulakshana that he has found a good girl for Ram who can bring lakhs of rupees in dowry at the time of marriage. When asked, he reveals that the girl Anjana, played by Wahida Rahman, is the daughter of your late father Yashwant Rane's friend Gangadhar Rao, played by Nazir Hussain. On an appointed day, Gajendra goes to see Anjana. Here he gives a picture of Rama to Gangadhar Rao and praises Rama for being gentle. On this, Anjana cuts short the talk by saying that the picture does not reveal all these things. Gajendra then assures her on his behalf, but even on this she does not agree and talks about seeing the boy herself. Then one day Anjana comes to Ram's mansion with her father Gangadhar Rao. Here Gajendra welcomes both of them. Both Gajendra and his mother try their best to convince Anjana by praising Ram, but Anjana is adamant on seeing Ram. First of all, Ram does not want to go there, that people will make fun of him. Then when he comes there with a lot of fear, he starts there only at the behest of Gajendra. Gangadhar Rao then asks his daughter Anjana to make tea for him. When asked about sugar in tea, Ram does not tell anything. Then his niece tells Anjana that he don't drink tea. He drink milk. After this, when Anjana gives him milk to drink, he found trembles due to the fear of Gajendra's being there, and all the milk falls on Anjana's sari. Seeing this, Anjana comes to her house from there with her father, and tells her that not to marry with the boy. One day, Gajendra calls a liar and shows him the will of his late father-in-law Yaswant Rane and asks him how many days he is the caretaker of this property more. On this, when the liar tells him that there are very few days left, he asks him to make another such will. The liar then asks if Ram will sign it. He then asks the liar to go this time and says in an emotional tone that he will not get peace till Ram dies. Then he says that this Ram will surely die, but after resigning. Ram overhears this from his brother-in-law Gajendra and runs away from home without telling anyone, fearing death. Here in the city, Shyam, who is looking for work in films, eats a hearty meal in a hotel and then quietly runs away from that hotel after sending the waiter to bring food items from outside. On the other hand, after running away from home, Ram goes to same hotel to hide after seeing Anjana there. When Shyam goes out without giving money after eating, here the waiter wants to recover all the money eaten by Shyam from Ram, as he resembles Shyam, and in this order threatens him to be taken to the police station. Here Shyam comes out of the hotel, found some goons snatching the purse of a girl who is Anjana after shopping, and start running away. Shyam then beats them up. Seeing this, Anjana takes him to her house thinking him to be Ram, and calls her father to talk to him. Shyam talks to Anjana's father Gangadhar Rao about his desire to work in films. Then Gangadhar Rao and Anjana ask him to go on a trip to Pune with them, and they all reach Pune. After Ram flees out of his house, none of the men Gajendra had engaged to find him could find Rama's whereabouts, but Gajendra was informed by Gangadhar Rao that Ram had come to Pune with them. Shyam, whom Anjana and her father Gangadhar Rao mistakes as Ram, wants to tell Anjana that they are in dark about him, but Anjana is so lost in his love that she wants to be with him at all cost. Apart from this, she is not ready to accept anything in this case, so he cannot reveal his real identity to Anjana. Ram, on the other hand, runs away and becomes a disciple of a Mahatma. One day, Rama is reciting the lines of the Ramayana while sitting in Shyam's village, when Santa comes there and asks him to refuse such a pretense. Thinking him to be Shyam, she tells him that her mother is grieving his separation. Then Rama says that her mother has passed since his long time, and he is not Shyam but Ram. Then on the calls of Santa, the villagers come there, catch him and take him to his mother. Here also he describes himself as Ram in front of everyone. Then Santa says, call the Mahatma who sweeps ghost. He will fix everything. When the Mahatma blowing ghost arrives, he repeatedly strikes Ram with the twig of the neem in the name of fanning the flames and talks about dismembering the body if Syam does not return to its body. Then Rama, out of fear, accepts to become Syam. Here, Syam, whom Anjana and her father Gangadhar Rao consider as Ram, is having fun with time with Anjana. Anjana is also very happy with this, although Syam repeatedly tries to tell his reality to Anjana, but then Anjana talks to him in such a loving way that he is not able to tell his reality even if he wants to. He was returning home from Pune. At the same time, Ram's brother-in-law Gajendra comes to Rao Gangadhar's house and takes Syam to his house, considering him to be Rama. Bringing Syam home, considering him to be Ram, Gajendra rebukes him a lot. Just then Rama's sister Sulakshana and her niece arrives and both fell in love with Syam, thinking him to be Ram, and makes him promise that he will never leave these people. Syam then promises these people that he will not go anywhere until he improves the condition in this house. On the other hand, Santa falls in love with Rama, thinking him to be Syam, and brings him to a temple to seek the blessing of the Lord with the purpose of deepening her love. Here, when Rama speaks of his separation from her, she says that sincere prayer offered in this temple must be fulfilled. She then feeds sweets as prasad to Ram, considering him Syam. Seeing this, everyone starts laughing. Gajendra calls Syam, whom everyone thinks to be Ram, to sign the new will in which all the property of Gajendra's father-in-law is written in his name. But then Ram turns, Syam comes here to sign. He starts reading the whole paper. After getting all the information about the situation, he refuses to sign before the magistrate and accuses the magistrate of being an accomplice in one wrongdoing. Then the magistrate runs away from there, saying that these people had told me that Ram would sign it quietly. Angered by this, Gajendra starts beating Syam, whom he thinks is Ram, as before, but this time the dice turns due to Syam being in Ram's place. Syam, who is known as Ram, snatches Gajendra's hunter and starts beating him badly. Then Ram's sister Sulakshana comes and saves Gajendra. After this, Syam goes to the office as Ram, and after seeing all the papers there, he first announces a bonus of 3 months to the workers, and then he asks for an accountant of all the mistakes of Munimji, the accountant. Just then his friend Gopal from his village comes there and starts talking to him, but when he addresses him as Syam, he tells him not to call him Syam here but Ram. Gajendra once again refuses to show his power in the house by throwing away the plate of cake cut on the occasion of the birthday of his daughter and Ram's niece. Then Ram turns, Syam comes there and forces Gajendra to eat by picking up a piece of cake lying on the floor. He then distributes the cake to all the children and make merry. He had the arrangement the next day. Sulakshana makes all the arrangements for her brother's engagement. Along with Gangadhar Rao, his daughter Anjana also come to Ram's house for the engagement. Time passes, but Ram turns, Syam does not reach home from the office. Instead, Anjana loves him as Ram, so he can get engaged and marry Anjana. Just then his friend Gopal comes and asks him to get engaged and married in this form. Then he says, and what will happen to Anjana on the day when the furnace is broken? Then Gopal says that there are such things, so why did you not tell her? On this he says that he tried to tell many times but could not tell, seeing Anjana's love. After this, Ramcharan Syam comes home determined to tell all his truth and flatly refuses this engagement. After that, there was a lull. Gangadhar Rao returned home from there with his daughter Anjana. Here, Gangadhar Rao calls Rama a cheat and asks Anjana to forget him. On this, Anjana reminds that there may be some compulsion behind not getting engaged, but he cannot be the wrong man. One day, when Ram, living in the form of Syam, is coming in love with Santa, he sees Gangadhar Rao passing through his taxi on the way. He stops and looks at it, finds Ram there. On seeing Gangadhar Rao, Syam turned. Ram runs away from there. Gangadhar Rao also starts living from there, but his car meets with an accident at some distance. Then Santa leaves him from car, and on seeing his blood, bandages with ointment. Then at the request of Gangadhar Rao, she goes to his house to reach him there. On the way, Gangadhar Rao succeeds in getting to know from her that she loves him whom he had seen running away. Here Gangadhar gets suspicious when Syam, who is living as Ram, refuses to get engaged and tells his mother that there is a big secret behind Ram not getting engaged and he will find it out. After coming home, Gangadhar Rao tells his daughter Anjana that he has all the raw letters of the multi-faced whom she still loves, and then he himself sends her to Santa in the room below to find out everything. Santa tells Anjana about his love, but she tells her his name as Syam and not Ram. Then she sees the picture of Ram present in Anjana's house and wants to forcibly take him away, calling it to be Syam's picture. Then there is a little clash between Anjana and Santa. At the same time, Gajendra also comes there and is happy to hear all the things here. After a clash with Anjana, Santa comes back to her village and angrily accuses Ram, whom she thinks is Syam, of playing tricks on her. On this, Rama, who is living as Syam, tells her the whole truth and says that he had refused to consider himself as Syam from the very first day. But when people started beating me to save my life, I accepted them and started living as Syam, whom you love. Just now both of them were talking in such a way that Gajendra comes there and asks his goons to catch Ram and take him away. When Santa expresses her opposition to this, Gajendra tells that it would have been better as his note had not been opened, then this multi-faced would have robbed you too. To this, Santa says that no matter who is he, but even if someone looks at him with a bad eye, I will break his eye. Gajendra then asks him, his goons, to pick up both and take them from there to keep in his possession. Coming here, Gajendra meets Anjana's father Gangadhar Rao, who plans to tighten the noose on Syam living as Ram, and informs him that Syam, who came in the middle all this as Ram, is a big multi-faced. After this, Gangadhar Rao asks Gajendra to give the cases to the police station. Then Gajendra says that I have informed the police, but to prove his thuggery, you should invite him to party held on Anjana's birthday. The police inspector will come here and arrest him with evidence. Gajendra then comes back to his house and shows an invitation card to Syam, who turns out to be Ram, saying that he has also been invited by Gangadhar Rao on Anjana's anniversary. Then Lakshmana tells Syam, who is living as Ram, that by not getting engaged, he has hurt their hearts, so this is a good opportunity to bridge that gap. At the Gajendra asks Syam, who has become Ram from the point of view of the success of his trick, that he will go to his party, on which Syam, who has become Ram, accepts to go there. On Anjana's birthday, Ram turns Syam, coming to her house, gives a letter with his gift and tells Anjana that he will get great relief if she reads the letter despite she hated him. But Anjana does not read the letter at that time due to anger. Gajendra then asks Syam to sing a song. He also tells him reality through the song As the song ends, Gangadhar Rao gives him a tight slap and tells the audience that it is a trickster living in the form of Ram. He then brings her mother, whom Gajendra had caught from her house and brought here to confirm this. Now here is mother, Ram. The two start fighting over this. When Shyam sees tears in his mother's eye, he clings to her. Gangadhar then tells Sulakshana, look, this man was cheating us. Gajendra then calls the police inspector there and accuses him of killing Ram and asks him to take him to jail. Shyam's lack of denials remained ineffective, and the police catch him and lock him up in the lockup. Meanwhile, Anjana reads the letter and regrets it. To this, Gangadhar Rao says, why didn't you read this letter earlier? By joining Gajendra's conspiracy, we have also played a big role in sending an innocent man to the gallows. She lives on this that if something happens to her, I will not be alive. On the other hand, Gajendra comes to the place where Shyam turned Ram has been kept forcibly with his girlfriend Santa and got them beaten by his goons. He then asks Ram to sign the papers containing the will. Ram also agrees to sign. Then Santa comes and stops him from doing so, saying that you said that these people want to kill you by getting you signed. Then Shyam turned Ram refuses to sign that paper. Gajendra had further tortured Ram to get him to sign the will, but by then he is informed that inspectors wants to meet him. Then he quickly shifts his goon and Ram and his girlfriend Santa to another place and meets the inspector and answers his questions. On this, the inspector talks about meeting again because this case is of murder and goes away from there. Meanwhile, the police beat up Shyam and ask him to confess his involvement in the murder, but Shyam does not do so. Just then, on the call of the inspector, Gajendra comes there and taunts Shyam, seeing his condition there, which angered Shyam. First beats Gajendra and then runs away from the jail. The police chases him, then he hangs the window of a moving train. The police are also chasing Shyam by hanging from the window of the second compartment, but on the way Shyam manages to escape by jumping into a river. The next day, the newspaper carries the news which Anjana and her father Gangadhar Rao also read. After escaping from Shyam's prison, the accountant of Gajendra says that if Shyam comes here, he will kill us people, and even Ram has not signed the testament as yet. If the inspector gets this information somewhere, we will all go to the lockup. To this, Gajendra says that he has completed all his plans so far. Even today, he would force Ram to sign in the papers and kill both Ram and Santa and bury their bodies in Shyam's field so that the police would have solid proof of Shyam's murder. The conversation of these two is overheard by Shyam's friend Gopal, who had come there for some work at that time. On the other hand, Gangadhar Rao asks Shyam's mother whether Shyam is her own son or someone else, because two men can have the same appearance only if they are twins. On this, Shyam's mother tells that she had found Shyam near the Kashi Vishwanath temple in Banaras while she had gone there to worship Kashi Vishwanath for the purpose of wishing her a son. Shyam himself overhears this conversation of the two and comes and confesses in front of everyone that he did not commit any murder, nor was he living here along with the people for the greed of wealth, but he was living there to free Ram's niece and his sister from Gajendra's tyranny. Now, after coming here, when he has come to know that Ram is his twin brother, he is going to rescue him also because he is not dead yet. Anjana then apologizes to him for her mistake. To this, he praises Ranjana and says that he knows how much she loves him. He then goes to solve the Ram's case. Knowing everything from his friend Gopal, Shyam goes to save him where Gajendra has kept Ram and Santa locked up. Despite heavy policing arrangements, Shyam sneaks up to Ram and Santa and tells him that now no one will be able to spoil them. Only then Gajendra comes there. He sends his goons to bring Ram down from the upper room to get him to sign the papers he brought with him. Then, as per his plan of action, Shyam comes down with the goons and knocks his name on the paper. Seeing this, Gajendra angrily wants to take his life with a pistol. Then Shyam says that you asked me to write my name, so I write my name. Ram is standing there. At this, when Gajendra looks up, Shyam drops the pistol by giving a blow on his pistol hand and starts beating him. In the process, he once again takes out a pistol and starts firing. Then he told his goons to bring Ram down and kill him. But Ram, Shyam and Santa trio together beat up these goons badly. Gajendra runs to kill Shyam, but Shyam snatches the sword from him and is determined to kill him with the sword. Then Ram says, leave him because this is the husband of his sister Sulakshana. So will he kill him and make his sister Sulakshana a widow? Shyam then tells him about Ram's greatness and says, the Ram whom you always beat just to fulfill your greed for money, the same Ram is praying to me to save your life today. Then Gajendra starts worrying a lot. Even when Ram and Shyam are getting married to Anjana and Santa, he does not come there out of shame by giving a letter to Sulakshana repenting for the mistakes and calling it a gift for both the sister-in-law. After this, both Santa and Anjana wait for their husbands to wear the Varmala, a special kind of garland. But when both of them came, there is a doubt about who is Ram and who is Shyam. Then there is a round of laughter, and at the end, Santa makes Ram and Anjana makes Shyam wear Varmala, that is a special kind of garland. With this scene, the story of the film Ram and Shyam ends.